Welcome to our channel, where we ignite the fire within and empower you to break free from mediocrity. Today, we have a powerful message that might make you feel uncomfortable, but trust me, it's exactly what you need to hear. So buckle up and get ready to transform your life. You see, there's something holding you back from reaching your true potential. It's called fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of stepping out of your comfort zone. But here's the truth. Greatness lies just beyond that fear. It's time to face it head on and embrace the discomfort that comes with pursuing your dreams. So, in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to reach the top 1% in the world. And this is how you can escape the matrix. The journey from average to extraordinary is not for the faint of heart. It requires courage, determination, and a burning desire to make your mark on the world. You have to be willing to take risks, to push yourself beyond your limits, and to challenge the status quo. Yes, it's scary. It's terrifying to step into the unknown, to face rejection, and to risk failure. But here's the thing. The most successful people in the world didn't let fear stop them. They embraced it. They used it as fuel to propel them forward, and they transformed their lives in the process. The first step towards achieving greatness is investing in your education and developing specialized skills. Whether it's pursuing higher education, attending workshops or online courses, or acquiring certifications, continuously learning and honing your expertise will set you apart from the rest. Education is the foundation upon which success is built. It provides you with knowledge, critical thinking abilities, and a broad understanding of the world. However, education doesn't stop at school. Lifelong learning and skill development are key components of staying ahead in today's rapidly evolving world. To reach the top 1%, you must invest in your education, pursue higher education programs, enroll in specialized courses, and seek out opportunities to expand your knowledge. The more you learn, the more valuable you become in your field of interest. But education alone isn't enough. Skill development is equally important. Identify the skills that are in high demand in your industry and work on mastering them. This could be anything from technical skills, such as coding or data analysis, to soft skills like leadership and communication. Additionally, never underestimate the power of continuous learning. Stay up to date with the latest trends, advancements, and research in your field. Attend conferences, read industry publications, and engage in discussions with experts. By staying ahead of the curve, you position yourself as a thought leader and gain a competitive edge. Entrepreneurship offers a unique pathway to the top 1%. It's about creating something from scratch, taking risks, and seizing opportunities. If you have a passion for innovation and a desire to be in control of your destiny, entrepreneurship might be the perfect fit for you. Starting your own business allows you to unleash your creativity, build something meaningful, and potentially generate substantial wealth. However, it's important to approach entrepreneurship with careful planning and a strong business strategy. Identify a problem more in need in the market and develop a solution that sets you apart. Embrace innovation and think outside the box. Surround yourself with a supportive network, seek mentorship, and learn from those who have walked the entrepreneurial path before you. Keep in mind that entrepreneurship is not without its challenges. Be prepared to face setbacks, overcome obstacles, and adapt to a constantly changing business landscape. Resilience, determination, and a willingness to learn from failures are essential qualities for success. As an entrepreneur, you have the opportunity to create a lasting impact on the world. Your business can create jobs, solve societal problems, and contribute to the economy. It's not just about financial success, but also about making a difference. So, if you have the entrepreneurial spirit burning within you, take the leap and pursue your dreams. Embrace the challenges, believe in your vision, and work tirelessly to turn your ideas into reality. Achieving the top 1% requires not only earning money, but also effectively managing and growing your wealth. This strategy focuses on investments and financial management, helping you make your money work for you. Start by educating yourself about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and other financial instruments. Understand the risks and rewards associated with each. Seek professional advice or consult with financial advisors to make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different assets and sectors to mitigate risks and maximize potential returns. A well-diversified portfolio can help you weather market fluctuations and enhance your overall financial stability. Stay informed about market trends and economic indicators that can influence your investments. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and adapts to changing market conditions. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Be patient and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Focus on your investment strategy and the underlying fundamentals of the assets you invest in. In the pursuit of reaching the top 1%, it's essential to recognize the power of networking and relationship building. Building strong connections with the right people can open doors, create opportunities, and accelerate your path to success. Start by expanding your network both within and outside your industry. Attend conferences, seminars, and industry events to meet like-minded individuals and experts in your field. Engage in meaningful conversations, listen attentively, and show genuine interest in others. Online platforms and social media have made networking more accessible than ever. Leverage platforms like LinkedIn to connect with professionals, join relevant groups, and participate in discussions. Share your knowledge, showcase your expertise, and build a strong online presence. Remember, networking is not just about what others can do for you, but also about how you can contribute value. Be willing to offer help, share resources, and make meaningful connections that are mutually beneficial. Cultivate relationships by following up, staying in touch, and nurturing connections over time. Networking is not just about the initial introduction, but also about building long-term relationships based on trust, respect, and shared interests. Networking extends beyond professional circles. Engage in community involvement, volunteer work, and philanthropic activities. Building a positive reputation and giving back to society can create valuable connections and open doors to new opportunities. Remember, the power of networking lies in the quality, not just the quantity, of your connections. Focus on building a strong network of individuals who inspire you, challenge you, and support your growth. By nurturing your network, seeking mentorship, and building genuine relationships, you'll gain access to valuable resources, guidance, and opportunities that can propel you towards the top 1%. In the pursuit of being on the top, there will be obstacles, setbacks, and moments when you feel like giving up. But it's during these challenging times that this strategy becomes crucial. Persistence and resilience. Success rarely comes overnight. It requires dedication, hard work, and a relentless commitment to your goals. Embrace the mindset of persistence, understanding that setbacks are not failures but opportunities for growth and learning. When faced with adversity, remember why you started on this journey in the first place. Reconnect with your passion, your purpose, and the vision of the life you want to create. Use this as fuel to keep going, even when things get tough. Cultivate resilience, the ability to bounce back from failures and setbacks. Understand that failure is not the end but a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes, adapt your approach, and keep moving forward with renewed determination. Surround yourself with a support system of mentors, friends, and loved ones who uplift and inspire you. Lean on them for guidance, encouragement, and advice during difficult times. Remember, you don't have to go through this journey alone. Take care of your mental and physical well-being. Practice self-care, maintain a positive mindset, and prioritize your health. A strong mind and body are essential for maintaining resilience and staying focused on your goals. It's important to recognize that the path to success is not a straight line. There will be detours, roadblocks, and moments of doubt. But it's in these moments that true growth and transformation occur. So, embrace persistence and resilience as your allies on this journey. Believe in yourself, stay committed to your vision, and keep pushing forward, no matter what challenges come your way. Imagine a life where fear no longer controls you. A life where you wake up every morning with a burning passion, knowing that you're on a mission to achieve something extraordinary. It's time to unleash the untapped potential within you and unleash your inner greatness. Today is the day you break free from the shackles of average. Today is the day you take that first step towards greatness, no matter how small or uncertain it may be. Remember, every successful person started somewhere, and you are no different. So, my friend, I challenge you to face your fears, to silence the doubts in your mind, and to take that leap of faith. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and believe that you are capable of achieving things beyond your wildest imagination. It won't be easy, but nothing worth having ever is. Embrace the fear, let it fuel your determination, and embark on this extraordinary journey. Remember, you have the power to shape your destiny, to create a life that's truly remarkable. If you found this motivational message inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need a little push to break free from their comfort zones. Together, let's conquer our fears, chase greatness, and create a legacy that will inspire generations to come. And this is how you can escape the matrix.